Analysis question number 4 is, how does Dean show his disapproval for the conventions imposed by older generations? And we got a quote up here saying, but notice, the old lady or the old man is always somewhere around, in the back usually, sometimes 100 yards, gathering twigs and wood or tending animals. They are never alone. Nobody is ever alone in this country. And from this quote, we sort of get the impression that Dean is overdoing the fact that they're never alone, because everybody is alone sometimes, probably when they sleep or something. And the fact that he is overdoing it, it gives it a negative point of view. So he's actually criticizing the the old lady and old man, their work, or the fact that they're always around. So he probably likes being alone, because he's criticizing that they make sure that the girls are never, ever, ever alone.